Hello guys, welcome to the Scholarship Analyst channel. And in this video, we are going to be talking about a Netherlands government fully funded scholarship for international students. If you are a non-EU citizen, that is non-European Union citizen, this scholarship is for you. Whatever country you are coming from, this scholarship is for you. And it's both for research and for applied science courses, and also is for both bachelor's program and also for masters. And before I continue to deep down and dive into this scholarship, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I am watching this video right now. Subscribe now, and don't just subscribe, also put on the notification so as to get notified when a new content is uploaded. And also don't forget to smash the like button. And also our WhatsApp group and Telegram group is here. You can join our group. Thank you very much. So let's get started. So this particular scholarship, like I said, is for master's and bachelor's degree, and which is in Netherlands and is provided by the Netherlands government. And this amount of scholarship varies. It varies. Now I will show you something why I say it varies. It varies depending on the universities. So now, if you look at the page here, they tell you that the amount to 5,000 euros. How we say, and it's not a full scholarship. But now, let me show you something. Don't forget we have different participating universities, and you can see it there. So if you click on, let's assume we click on this university now. Let's try it out. Like I said, it varies. I'm going to show you two examples why I say it's a varied scholarship. So this one is it says a full scholarship of 34,000 euros, including tuition waiver and monthly stipend each academic year for highly talented students outside European who are admitted for a master's program at this university. So that's one. And they already told you the eligibility and everything here. So that's, you can see the living expenses that was covered and everything. So this one is a full tuition and full scholarship waiver. You can just, the link is going to be in the description of this video, so you can go there and read through the requirement to see if you meet it and apply for it. So let's quickly go ahead and click on another university. Let's check out this university. So you can, if you look at this university say you only offer 4. So it depends on the capacity of the university actually. So say it only offers 4, and they are saying that the amount of the scholarship is 5,000. But you can receive up to 15,000 euros because you can receive multiple NLP awards. So you can receive up to 15,000. So which still also makes sense. And for you to apply for the scholarship, you need to complete this application, do this, reference center, and the likes. So every school has their own rules, has their own, let's check this, has their own requirement, and has its particular amount they are giving people. They are giving students to come and study at their university. So this particular uh, scholarship for this particular school now, his own requirement might be different, and the amount is given might be different. So depending on how the school, has the ability to cater for international students at the time. So I won't be diving deeper more than this, so as not to waste our time. But it's very straightforward. I'm going to be providing the link of this website for you so that you can go through each university that offers your courses. Maybe you are going for a research course or you are going for a applied science courses. So you can check out their requirement, and if you meet it, apply for it. And I wish you best of luck in your endeavor. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.